Imagine a boy born a hero, die a hero, but दुनिया ने कभी उससे मौका नहीं दिया। His name was Karno, और यह है उसकी कहानी। Karno's mother had a secret. वो शादी से पहले माँ बनी थी। She was scared, so she put her baby in a basket. और उस नदी में छोड़ दिया अकेला। ये poor man found him और उसे अपने बेटा की तरह प्यार किया। That baby grew up to be the greatest warrior in history. One day, Karno went to a big competition. He wanted to fight Arjun, but the crowd stopped him. They said, "तू कौन है? Just a poor man, son. वापस जा." Karno said nothing, but inside his heart was broken. टूट गया था वो अंदर से। That day, एक इंसान आगे आया, दुर्योधन। He gave Karno a kingdom. He said, तू राजा है, राधा का बेटा नहीं। From that day, Karno was ready to die for Duryodhan because he was the only person जो कभी कर्ण पे भरोसा किया। Karno had a magical armor. जब तक वो पहना था कोई उससे मार नहीं सकता था। One day a beggar came and asked for it. Karno knew it was a trick. जानता था वो, but he smiled and gave it away because Karno had one rule. उसने कभी किसी को नहीं कहा, never. Life was never fair to Karno. कभी नहीं, but he never gave up being good. He was generous till the end, loyal till the end, kind till the end. और इसलिए thousands of years later we still remember him आजो भी। So tell me, was Karno the real hero of Mahabharata? Comment में बताओ and subscribe to Sanatan Stories for more stories that will touch your heart. मिलता है next time. Bye bye.